All right, good morning, guys. This should be home stretch, or it's actually the final video as far as review before next week, finals week, in which case I should be back and ready to help you guys out get through finals week. So, you guys should just finish the do now question. In your own words, explain how economics is not just about, oh, excuse me, that was wrong lesson one. Your actual do now question. Explain what supply and demand is, and provide examples. So going back to really simple, straightforward economic stuff. So supply and demand. Demand being the having both the desire and the means to get something, to purchase something. Remember, if you don't have the if you have the desire, meaning you want it, but you don't have the means, meaning you don't have the money, then it's not true demand. Then you have supply, which looks at it from the producer side, and supply is essentially the amount of product I have available to sell or to make available to consumers. So make sure you have 4 sentences, make sure you have an explanation, get it turned in, and then your guys' assignment for the day. So what's going to happen is you're going to go over to the red folder. You're going to collect your assignments from the last 2 days, all these test questions you've made up. You're going to make sure they're all together. You're going to make sure you do not have any of the answers on your test itself. So go through it, make sure you have any of the answers circled or anything. If you do, for whatever reason, that you shouldn't, please fix it. And then you're going to trade your test with one other student in this room. You can give them your test, and they're going to take you, or you're going to give them your test, and then they're going to give you their test. And then you are going to take them. So you're going to answer the multiple choice questions, the true-false questions, and yes, even the written rage response questions in complete sentences in 5 sentences each. So the way it's going to work is you're not going to write on their assignment. You're going to write all your answers on a separate sheet of paper. So go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer number 1 is B, C, whatever, all the way down. Same thing for the true and false questions. And then with the rage response questions, writing them out on your sheet of paper. So at the end of this, making sure your name's on your sheet and their names are on their sheets. And then you're going to staple your answer sheet, whatever you put your answers on, to their test. So when I go to grade them, I know that, okay, this is so-and-so's test. These are the answers from this person for the right test. So they all match up when I go to grade them. So once again, go to the red folder, get your assignments from the last 2 days, make sure there are no answers on them, then just trade them with one person, and you're going to take each other's tests, and you're going to answer them on a separate sheet of paper, which will staple everything. Will staple your answers with their tests together at the end of class, and then turn them in. So, like I said, this should be the last time we have one of these video lessons, and I should see you guys on Monday when I return. So, see you then.